First, materials needed: UTP cable, RG45 connector, cable stripper or knife, crimping tool. Second, understand the color coding standards. There are two main wiring standards: TIA 568B, most common, orange-white orange, green-white blue, blue-white green, brown-white brown. Third, step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Strip the outer jacket. Use the cable stripper to remove about 1 inches 2.5 cm of the cable jacket. Be careful not to cut or nick the internal wires. Step 2. You will see 4 twisted pairs, 8 wires total. Gently untwist each pair or straighten the wires. Step 3. Arrange the wires. Arrange the wire flat and in order according to the standard you are using, usually T568B. Ensure the wires are aligned and not crossed. Step 4. Trim the wires. Trim all 8 wires evenly. So here are about 1/2 inches 1.25 cm long from the jacket. Step 5. Insert wires RG45 connector. Hold the RG45 connector clip side down. Insert wires carefully into the connector until each wire reaches the end. Ensure the jacket inside the connector slightly folded. Step 6. Crimp the connector. Place the RG45 connector into the crimping tool. Firmly squeeze the tool to crimp the connector into the cable. The tool will press the metal pins into the wires. Step 7. Test the cable. Optional, use a cable tester to verify all connections are correct.